to detangle my hair, and this is how I made it. The first thing I did was to go into my mom's farm and cut out this chunky looking aloe vera from her farm. You can use any species, it's fine. I cut that up into series of cubes, and then I soaked that for a few hours because I want to remove all of those poison that causes itchiness. So an hour or more is enough, and then you want to cut off the spikes, and then you want to peel that up and take out, or should I say scrape out, all of those juicy goodness. Okay, so do you know aloe vera contains vitamins and amino acid, fatty acid that moisturize your hair and scalp. It also reduces breakage and gives your hair that shine, that amazing shine that it needs. So you need to try out aloe vera. After scooping or scraping out the inner part of the aloe vera for the gel, you want to blend that up. But because I do not want to use my blender because I use that in cooking, I'm gonna cut them into tiny chunks and then just go ahead and strain it. But I will advise you blend yours, okay? And then you want to get a cheesecloth or a strainer, whatever works fine for you, and you want to strain out all of the juice. Do not waste any. Even if you blend it, please still try to strain it out so that it takes out all of those residue from it, and there you have it. Your aloe vera gel is ready to on the process of applying it. So the first thing you want to do is just to section your hair into small sections. Apply the gel generously and detangle from the tip to the root of your hair, and then you want to put that in twist. Okay, I mentioned in the previous video that you should strain your aloe vera even after blending. So you need to strain, because at the end of the day I had a whole lot of residue because I didn't blend and strain properly. So you don't want to make that mistake. And yes, the aloe vera is going to get very messy, so I advise do not use your best cloth, and please put a towel on the floor before you go ahead. You can see how my face is getting wet, so please, it's going to get really messy. After you've done that, you want to cover up your hair for about 40 to 1 hour with a plastic bag or a steaming cap, and there you have it. The result is always amazing, and yet again, so much residue on my hair, so please make sure you strain and drain out the whole thing properly. Then I went ahead with my wash day, and the next day the hair came out amazing, ready for styling. My hair is looking so fluffy yet with residue looking so fluffy and amazing. So that is it about the tutorial. Please like, comment, subscribe for more tutorials like this. Share to your loved ones and your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.